day in the life of a small-time Etsy seller trying to make this a full-time job. So today I am packing up some orders. I've had quite a lot of these this week and I am actually doing really well on them. These are candy cane holders that have been really popular for me, especially since September kicked in. People are already starting to shop for Christmas. So today I'm going to work on these and I'm going to pack some orders and I'm just going to see how far I get on through the day. So it's now 11:30 and I am 2.5 hours into my working day today. I've made 31 of these reindeers. It would have been 32, but I made a bit of boo-boo with one of the names and put 2 S's instead of 1. I have 23 orders due for dispatch today. I'm hoping to get a lot more done than that though, because I have 68 in total to be dispatched. My label printer here is obviously, as you can see, absolutely battered, but it works perfectly fine. It's a Zebra LP2844. I've had this for quite a few years now, and as much as I'd really like one of the cute pretty pink ones, there is no point in me upgrading while that one is still working, because it's just spending for the sake of spending. So I have today quite a lot to pack. It's all reindeers that I've been making all week, so while you've seen that I've made these ones so far this morning and cut them out, I do also have a lot of other ones to organise and post. I also have some bat wings that I've already pre-picked this morning, ready to pack and post, but I have actually, this morning while I've been making these and filming this, I have sold another pair of that. I had 2 orders during filming that first part of the video, and that was for a pair of bat wings and 3 personalised felt candy cane holders. So not a bad start to the morning. I'm going to go back onto time lapse to pack these because it is going to take me absolutely ages, and then it'll also stop me from having little people walk in and start talking to me and making it obvious that I'm actually doing quite a lot while I'm doing this. As you can see here, I have a little boy at the side of me coming to chat to me, so I do have quite a bit to do today. So I will get onto the time lapse now. It is Wesley, isn't it? So I'm going to get onto the time lapse now so that I'll get all this done quicker for you to watch rather than you sitting and watching me do this for the next 2 hours. Okay, so it's now 1 o'clock and in that time I have packed 40 orders and I'm going to break off for lunch now. I had 2 orders while I was packing those orders, and so far today, if I can show my screen here, I've had 7 orders totaling £47 and 10p, so it's quite a good day so far today and I'm hoping it keeps it up. So I'm breaking off for lunch now, I'll be back soon. So it's just gone 5:30. I've had a chaotic afternoon. My car has failed its MOT and I now have no car for the next week. So since earlier on, I now have 11 orders totaling £80 and 60p. I'm going to probably do something for about an hour now and then I'm probably going to finish up for the day because it's just been chaos. So probably going to do some freestanding lace earrings or something like that, and I'll just make them on the time lapse. So these did not go how I wanted at all. I was really cheap with the stabiliser and didn't use enough on the frame, and they all puckered and went uneven, dodgy, and most of them are not usable. But anyway, I made £137 40p today and I had 20 orders, so I'm super happy about that. It's the best day I've had in ages.